Elsewhere, secrets of animals lurked in forests and shadows. With a face like a kangaroo and a vampire's teeth, the musk deer makes its way through the woods in search of lichens. Don't be fooled by the fangs. Male grow them for display instead of antlers. The older the deer, the longer the fangs. But it's the other end of the deer that attracts more attention. The male's musk gland produces a scent that's irresistible to does and perfume makers. Even though the deer have a poor sense of smell, musk manages to attract mates. Unfortunately, the human trade in musk glands has reduced the deer's numbers massively, and because only 2/3 of the female have fawn, this year the population replenishes slowly. After feeding, they chew the cud, regurgitating their meal and chewing again to help digest it. Though relaxed, he keeps alert. In a nearby clearing, ravens benefit from the death of one of our nearby horses. Their sharp beaks can strip clean the picked over carcasses. The group name for ravens is Allen Kindness, and they are both fierce and intelligent. They can make over 30 kinds of sounds, but howling wolves can frighten them. Wolves don't hibernate, so they are constantly on the prowl for food. In autumn and winter, the pack becomes nomadic, moving from place to place, searching for a meal. Guided by their sharp sense and smell, they hunt, steal, or scavenge, whatever it takes to fill their bellies. The hungry wolves attack the meat with such ferocity that they even intimidate each other. For the birds, it's time for some fun. Like mammals, birds love to play, and ravens are the seest. They can afford to. Adult ravens seem to lack natural enemies. Time for a quick brush down, then we're all done. Well, almost.